हेलो एवरीवन, आज की इस वीडियो में चैप्टर नंबर 2 हाउ द डॉग फाउंड हिमसेल्फ अ न्यू मास्टर की ऑल एक्सरसाइज को इस वीडियो में बताया गया है। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। चैप्टर नंबर 2 हाउ द डॉग फाउंड हिमसेल्फ अ न्यू मास्टर। पहले हम इसमें इंग्लिश वर्ड मीनिंग को पढ़ेंगे। ओके। डोमेस्टिकेटेड, केप्ट एज अ पेट अंडर ह्यूमन कंट्रोल, टेम्ड, enslaved, ill-pleased, not happy, wandering, moving aimlessly from one place to another, kinsman or relative, fierce, dangerous, sniffed, smelled, darted, moved quickly, crept, to move slowly and carefully so that no one can see you, panic, uncontrollable, fear, hastily, quickly, amid, between, cliffs, rocks, paw, foot of an animal. Now will come Hindi word meaning. Closely, करीबी, टेम, उपयोगी, इल प्लीज्ड, दुखी, फ्राइटेंड, डर गया, सेट आउट, शुरू करना, किन्समैन, संबंधी या फिर यू कैन से रिश्तेदार, फियर्स, हिंसक या उत्तेजित, टेक अप सर्विस विथ, नौकर होना, स्निप्ड, सूंघना, डार्टेड, भागा, क्रेप्ट, घुसना, टेकअप, अपनाना, पैनिक, घबराहट, लुक्ड आउट, ताक में रहना या खबरदार होना या खबरदार रहना, हैस्टली, जल्दी से, बिस्ट, जानवर, डेयर, चुनौती, क्लिफ, ऊंची चट्टान। नाउ विल कम पेज नंबर 21, वर्किंग विथ द टेक्स्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर ए, डिस्कस these questions in pairs before you write the answers. Question number 1, look and listen carefully. 1. Why did the dog feel the need for a master? Answer of this question: the dog felt the need for a master because he was tired of wandering about the alone, looking for good and getting frightened by those who are stronger than him. Therefore, he decided to serve someone who was the strongest on earth. Now will come question number 2. Who did he first choose as his master? Why did he leave that master? Now will come answer this question. He chose a big wolf as his master. One day the dog saw that the wolf, afraid of the bear, since the dog wanted to serve Valli, the strongest, he left the wolf and asked the bear to be his master. Now will come question number 3. Who did he choose next? Now will come answer of this question. He chose the bear to be his next master. Now will come question number 4. Why did he serve the lion for a long time? Answer of this question: he served the lion for a long time because there was no one more powerful and stronger than the lion in the forest. The lion was not afraid of any creature, and thus the dog as well protected by it. Therefore, the dog lived happily by serving the lion for a long time. Now will come question number 5. Who did he finally choose as his master and why? Now, answer of this question: he finally chose the man as his master. One day, the dog realized that the lion was afraid of man. As he wanted to serve someone who was the most powerful, he chose man as his master. Now, question number B. A summary of the story is given below. Fill in the blanks to complete it, taking appropriate phrases from the boxes. Okay, you can see in your books boxes will see. Okay, now listen carefully. This is the story of a dog who used to be his own master. He decided to find a master stronger than anyone else. First he found a wolf. Okay, but the wolf was afraid of the bear. The dog thought that the bear was strongest of all. After some time, the dog met a lion who seemed the strongest. He stayed with the lion for a long time. One day he realized that the lion was afraid of man. To this day, the dog remains man's best friend. Okay. Now will come page number 22, working with the language. You can see in your book. Question number A, you see, each word in the box given below indicates a large number of, for example, a herd of cows refers to many cows. Complete each of the following phrase with the suitable word from a box. You जैसा आप जानते हैं कि भाई आपने उसके कलेक्टिव नाउन के बारे में पढ़ा होगा, सेम वही चीज़ आपका है. ओके, तो सम ऑप्शन: स्कूल, फ्लीट, ब्रूड, बंडल, बंच, पैक, फ्लॉक, हर्ड. These word used and fill the blanks. Okay, now will come this topic. Number A, a fleet of ships. जहाँ पर ships आते हैं वहाँ fleet बोलते हैं. A bunch of flowers, chick. A brood of chicks. A flock of cattle. A bundle of stick. A herd of sheep. School of fish, pack of wolves. This is the phrase, and you can also these words collection nouns. Okay, now will come question number B. Make nouns from the words given below by adding NESS ITY. Okay, for some words we need to add just TY or Y. ठीक है, these words added. ठीक है. Now will come that's question: honest, honesty, kind, kindness, cruel, cruelty, calm, calmness, sad, sadness, active, activity, creative, creativity, sincere, sincerity, cheerful, cheerfulness, bitter, bitterness, sensitive, sensitivity, great, greatness. Question number C. Okay, now we'll come to question number C. You see in your book, question number C. Word search. There are 12 words hidden in this table. 6 can be found horizontally. Okay, you know about horizontally? Horizontally line as like this. Okay, and the remaining 6 vertically. You know vertically as like this. You can see. All of them are describing words like good, happy, etc. The first letter of the words are given below. Okay, first letter दिया गया आपका. Now you can write as like this. First of all, I will write here horizontally. HORIZONTAL. Horizontal. ठीक है. Horizontal. You make this word capital H, comma capital R, comma capital F, and comma capital S and capital G. These words are horizontally you match. Okay, and number 2 point vertical, VERTICL, vertical. These words are given in the books. Okay, you can see capital A, W, capital S, capital F, capital L and capital Q also. ठीक है, these words you vertically. So first of all we will come in the horizontally. Okay, first number, what is this word letter? H. H बोले तो hasty. You can see number 2 point R. So where is the R? You search ready. Okay, horizontally. First of all you search horizontally ready. Okay, number 3rd point F. Where is the F horizontally? Fierce. Okay, you can see here. Next point 4 frightened. Okay, next point S horizontally S, strong. You can see here strong. Next point G. Where is the G? Good. Okay, so these are these letters horizontally you search. Okay, now next point vertically. First of all we A. Where is the A? Yeah, vertically A, angry. Number 2 point W. Where is the W? Yeah, worse, WORSE, worse. Okay, next point S. Where is the S? Surprised. Okay, you can see here surprised. Next point F. Where is the F? Yeah, free. Okay, next point free. Where is, now will come L. Yeah, L is here is the L for lawyer. Okay, next point Q. Where is the Q? Yeah, next here quit. So these are the horizontally and vertically you can fill in a easy way. Now we'll come question number D. Read the following passage and do the exercises that follow, then complete the family tree of dogs given on the facing page. Okay, you can see here also, and some, first of all we read a story. Okay, and you search. The dog family is one of the 11 families that make up the carnivores, a large group of the intelligent, flesh-eating, backboned animals. In this group are such varied animals as bears, pandas, raccoons, cats, hyenas, and even seal. The dog as the canine family has the many wild species like the wolves, fox, coyotes, jackals, and wild dogs. The dog is the only domesticated member of the canine family, though now and then someone tames a wolf, fox, or coyote as a pet. All members of the dog family are descendants of a wolf-like animal which lived about 50 million years ago. From this distant ancestor, the true dog gradually developed, but nobody knows the exact ancestor of modern domestic dogs. Several wild dogs look and behave like the domestic dogs. The dingo or wild dog as Australia is one of these. It is possible that the dingo was a tamed dog brought to Australia long ago, which then ran wild Dogs were the first animals tamed by the humans perhaps 20,000 years ago. Tamed dogs were brought from Asia to the New World 5,000 or more years ago. Dogs were first used for hunting. Okay, these are the paragraph will given in your books, you can see. Okay, now all the question number 1, find the opposite of these words in the text above. Okay, some words are given in the question, and according to the question you write the opposite word. That opposite word will mention in that topic. Okay, ancestor, descendants, thence wild, tame, ancient, modern, near, distant, suddenly, gradually. These words are the opposite words. Okay, now will come question number 2, complete the following sentences. Okay, first we will study the dingo is. The dingo is. You will mention to complete the sentence and choose from the above topic. Okay, the wild dog of Australia which looks and behaves like a domestic dog. You can say complete the sentence. Okay, question number 2, dogs were the first animals tamed by humans. The other animals tamed by humans are wolf, fox and coyote. Number 3rd point, the New World refers to the non-Eurasian, non-African parts of the earth, specifically the Americans and the Australasia. Okay, dogs were brought there from Asia. Now will come question number family tree dog. Okay, listen carefully. Some options were given in the books and fill the complete words. You can see above the page carnivorous. Okay, number 2 point raccoon, number 3rd point hyena, number 4 point canine family. Our next point we will come here wild, no wild, this point domesticated, no panda, and then bear, after that domesticated, and after that you will feel as like this wolf, fox, coyote, jackal, wild dogs. This is the chapter number 2. If you like my video, then you like, comment and share, and after that you subscribe my video, my channels, and press the bell icon. Thank you.